Hi guys, today I want to talk about an amazing skincare product that I have been using lately, the Eclat Superior 20% Vitamin C Serum. As you may already know, vitamin C is a crucial ingredient in any good skincare routine. It is known for its brightening, anti-aging and skin protecting benefits. But did you know that not all vitamin C is created equal? That's why I'm excited to share with you how Eclat made the difference. Three best derivatives of vitamin C that are included in the Eclat Superior 20% Vitamin C Serum: ethyl ascorbyl phosphate, superox AF, and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. These derivatives have been carefully chosen to ensure that the serum delivers the maximum benefits of vitamin C to your skin. They work together to brighten and even out your complexion, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. But that's not all. The Eclat Superior 20% Vitamin C Serum also contains ferulic acid, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and olive leaf extract. Ferulic acid is a powerful antioxidant that helps to boost the effects of vitamin C, while hyaluronic acid and vitamin E work together to hydrate and nourish your skin. Olive leaf extract is packed with anti inflammatory properties that help to soothe and calm any irritation or redness. Now, you might be thinking that a serum with all of these amazing ingredients must be very expensive, but that's not the case with the Eclat Superior 20% Vitamin C Serum. And as a special bonus, you will receive a sunscreen serum for free with every purchase. Because as a logical skincare brand, Eclat understands the importance of sunscreen with vitamin C. So, if you are looking for a high quality effective vitamin C serum that won't break the bank, I highly recommend the Eclat Superior 20% Vitamin C Serum. You can buy it from their website as well as Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, or JioMart. Use coupon code FY20 before checkout. So, get ready with Eclat.